Most free VPNs operate on a business model that should make you uncomfortable. They monetize your personal information, bombard you with advertisements, or strangle your connection with restrictive data caps. ProtonVPN breaks this mold entirely. Born from the minds of CERN scientists in Switzerland and now protecting millions of users worldwide, this service delivers genuine privacy protection through its free tier without the typical compromises you'd expect. What sets ProtonVPN apart from competitors who profit by commodifying your browsing history is its fundamental approach to sustainability. Premium subscribers who share the belief that privacy is a basic human right fund the service, which explains why journalists, activists, and digital rights advocates have made it their go-to solution. The free version doesn't play games with your experience. You'll get unlimited bandwidth, a completely ad-free interface, and enterprise-level security features that rival paid alternatives, including server access across 8 nations like the United States, Japan, Netherlands, Poland, and Romania, all fortified with military standard AES 256 encryption and an automatic kill switch that prevents data leaks if your connection falters, with absolutely no artificial speed limitations holding you back. Switzerland's jurisdiction provides another layer of confidence, as the country maintains some of the planet's most robust privacy legislation, and ProtonVPN's independently verified no logs policy means your digital footprint stays genuinely invisible. No tracking, no storage, no exceptions. The applications work seamlessly across Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux platforms. Because they're open source, the security community can continuously audit the code to verify there are no hidden vulnerabilities. That said, the free tier does come with practical limitations. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Disney Plus restrict access to their content from free server IP addresses. Peer-to-peer file sharing isn't available, and you're capped at connecting just one device at a time instead of the 10 allowed on premium plans. Free servers naturally experience higher traffic volumes, so while they deliver respectable performance for typical web browsing and secure your connection effectively, they won't deliver the blazing speeds you'd find across ProtonVPN's 110-plus country premium network. But this is by design to maintain service quality and privacy standards, not to exploit your data like other providers. For those interested in unlocking premium capabilities like high-speed connections, streaming service compatibility, and an extensive global server network, you'll find a special affiliate link below this video that both upgrades your experience and helps support this channel's continued operation. ProtonVPN Free excels for specific use cases, securing your connection on sketchy public Wi-Fi networks, preventing your internet service provider from building a profile of your online behavior, safeguarding confidential professional communications, or simply maintaining anonymity during routine browsing, making it particularly valuable for students, remote professionals, and anyone concerned about their digital footprint. Though it's worth noting this isn't the solution for bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming marathons or torrent downloads, but rather for rock-solid everyday privacy. Industry recognition speaks volumes here. PC Mag crowned it the best free VPN available, while CNET's endorsement states it's the only free VPN I trust. Getting started couldn't be simpler. Follow the description link below. Register your complimentary account using only an email address with 0 credit card requirements. Install the lightweight application and activate your connection through either the Quick Connect feature that automatically selects optimal servers or by manually choosing from available countries, with real-time server load indicators helping you make informed selections, and that kill switch working silently in the background to maintain your protection even during unexpected disconnections. Consider the threats you're facing. Your ISP is compiling a comprehensive log of every domain you access and monetizing that intelligence. Public Wi-Fi hotspots are essentially open season for cybercriminals intercepting unencrypted traffic, and various surveillance programs are constructing detailed profiles of your digital existence. ProtonVPN neutralizes all these concerns without charging you a cent, displaying a single advertisement, or collecting any behavioral data. This service exists because its creators genuinely believe privacy constitutes a fundamental human right, sustained by users who prioritize freedom over corporate profits, standing in stark contrast to companies that view you as inventory, rather than individuals deserving of respect, which is precisely why ProtonVPN isn't merely the top free VPN option, but the only one that warrants your actual trust. If reclaiming control over your digital privacy in under 3 minutes, there's absolutely nothing to pay, no hidden catches to discover, just authentic, durable protection that remains genuinely free indefinitely. However, for viewers wanting to support this channel while simultaneously gaining access to those premium tier speeds, streaming capabilities, and that expansive 120+ country server infrastructure, that exclusive affiliate link is waiting below as a straightforward way to enhance your security posture and contribute to our content creation. Protect yourself wisely, maintain your privacy vigilantly, and embrace your newfound digital autonomy. Appreciate you watching, and remember to stay secure out there.